We all know central bank digital currency or e-RUPI has been launched, but we are puzzled with so many questions in our brain, like how do I create a wallet for e-RUPI? From where do I actually download this application? What is the KYC process? How does the transaction actually happen? If I receive digital currency, where will it get stored? Okay, how do I load my wallet with money? So many questions, right? So what we are going to do in this video is practically understand how we can open a wallet and what are the facilities available inside the wallet. How can we actually transfer the physical currency into digital currency? Everything will be covered. So what you have to do is watch this video till the end, and in case if you're not subscribed to our channel, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon right away. So basically what happens with this, when something new is introduced to us, first thing what we do is panic. We'll say, this is too difficult. This will not work for me, without even trying to understand what it is. Same thing happened with UPI. When UPI was launched, we all panicked. We said this will be too difficult for me, I won't be able to use it. But now, majority of us use UPI. And we also believe or feel that this is the easiest or one of the easiest mode of payment. So what I'm trying to pitch in here is, e-RUPI is actually an easy process. Kind of similar to UPI, but has a little bit of change, which we are going to understand in this video, because we are going to practically see how we can open a wallet. What are the facilities available inside the wallet? How does a transaction happen? How can we actually convert a physical currency into digital currency? Everything will be covered in this video, will be shown to you through a screen recording. And before that, I welcome you to Freedom English channel, and this is Sanaram. The first thing we have to do here is download central bank digital currencies dedicated app. Here we are going to take the example of SBI. If you have an account on some other bank, you have to download the dedicated app of that specific bank, and you can also use RBI's application to avail this service. So now with the help of screen recording, I am going to show you step by step how you can open a wallet and what are the services available and how we can actually use them. So now what you see is SBI's page. Click on enter. You will get to see the terms and conditions. Read everything, understand, and click on accept. The next page that appears actually states that e-RUPI is considered to be a legal tender, which means we will be using e-RUPI just as the currency, physical currency, which we have been using before. So now the transaction takes place once you create an account here. So we will start off by clicking on start registration. If you have a single SIM, your one SIM will appear here. If you have dual SIM, both the SIMs will appear here. Remember one thing, you have to click on the SIM which is actually connected with your bank. So in case if you have just one SIM, directly you can click on it. But if you have dual SIM, make sure you click on the SIM which is connected with your bank. And once you select your SIM, give verify SIM. Your verification will be done from their backend instantly. And once verified, you will see your SIM card has been verified successfully on the screen. So now what you have to do is click on the continue which is there below. Next comes the security. You can set your app pin here. You can use your phone pin, pattern, face lock, fingerprint, anything of your choice and comfort. You have to set a pin and click on set app pin. The next page that appears is will be requesting you for your name, and make sure you enter your name as per in Aadhaar card. The next page is we are going to set a recovery code. And why do we need this recovery code? In case if we misplace our device or because of corruption there is a problem, your wallet balance can be recovered by using this recovery code. So we have to click on get recovery code. Now click on create pin. So you will be directed to a page where you are requested to create a wallet pin. It should be of 6 digits. So make sure you enter the same pin on the first line and on the second line in order to reconfirm that you have used the same 6 digits, and make sure you remember it always, because in order to log in into the app, you will be asked to enter this wallet pin. So enter your pin, retype it and confirm it once you are done. So now you will see your wallet pin has been set successfully. Now what we have to do is view wallet address has to be clicked. Click on it. You will be able to see how much currency can be stored in your wallet, and it will be issued on the same address mentioned here. The next step what we have to do is click on select wallet, which is in the bottom of the page. Basically you can see 3 options here. Number 1, continue, which is a basic wallet. Number 2, Aadhaar KYC. So this is a minimum KYC wallet and you have to submit your Aadhaar here. And the last option is link State Bank of India account. In order to opt this option, we have to have an SBI account. So basically we have one. So what we are going to do is select the third option now, which is link State Bank of India account. This is a full KYC wallet. So once we have selected it, we will go and click on continue. And since we have used the number which is linked to our bank account, our bank details will be automatically fetched. Now you can select your bank details. Once you select your bank detail, click on select this bank. You will be directed to another page where you will be requested to enter the last 6 digits of your debit or ATM card and along with the expiry date. Once you have entered, just go ahead and click next. A page confirming that your bank has been linked will appear, which states that bank linked successfully. Yeah, that's it. Your bank has been linked, your number has been verified, we have created the wallet. So now you can send, collect, even redeem voucher and load e-RUPI and use all the facilities in this app. So we will see one by one now. So first, let us understand how to load money into this app. Click on load. Once you click on load, you will actually see digital currencies. You have 20s, 50s, 100, 200, 500 and 2000. So basically all the denominations are here. You can select the denominations which you want to be converted or loaded into e-RUPI. So basically I am going to select 220 rupees note and one 1 rupee coin. So we will be having a total of 41, which means we are having 220 rupees note and one 1 rupee coin, which is going to be converted into digital currency from physical currency. So in order to add it, you have to swipe up. In order to deduct the amount, you have to swipe down. Always remember that. So once you click on load e-RUPI, which is again given in the bottom of the page, you will be directed to payment gateway. If your bank is not linked, you will get an option to link it here. Since we have already linked our account, we can actually select our bank. If you can see, we have another option as well. So here we will be selecting our account and we will give confirm. So the next page clearly states that we have selected 220 rupee note and one 1 rupee coin to convert it into digital currency. So once you have confirmed the amount, click on load e-RUPI and instantly your physical currency will get converted into digital currency. So before the conversion, once you give load e-RUPI, you will be requested to enter the 6-digit wallet PIN which you recently created just before few steps. So enter it here and give confirm and see your physical currency getting converted into digital currency just like that. And the plus here is, just like our physical currencies, even the digital currencies have serial number. Each 20 rupee which we have converted has a serial number and the 1 rupee coin also has a serial number. Though these currencies are digital, it completely works as a physical currency. So now we have understood how we can actually convert physical currency into digital currency. Now let us understand how we can actually send money or pay money to someone. Here you can pay or send money by using the QR code, or you can use the wallet address directly and send it there. So you should just click on send. The next question that arises here is, what is this redeem? So basically we have converted 220 rupees and 1 rupee into digital currency. In case if you want to withdraw it and you want to convert the digital currency into physical currency, you can use this redeem option. What we have to do is click on redeem. Select the amount which you want to convert into physical currency again. So I am selecting 120 rupees here. So once that is done, I will select the bank to which it has to be credited, which is the same bank which I have used to convert my physical currency into digital currency. So I am selecting the same bank which I gave in the beginning and I will give redeem e-RUPI. So again, we will be requested to give our 6-digit wallet PIN, and once we give and click confirm, our 20 rupee has been converted to physical currency from digital currency. As you can see, the current balance is 21, which is 120 rupees note is there and 1 rupee coin is there as digital currency, and the 20 which we requested to be converted into physical currency has been converted. So now, in order to accept payment, if it is coming from someone, what do? We just enter into our profile. Click on profile, QR code is issued, or the wallet address is also there. So you can opt an option through which you want to receive your payment. So now we have clearly understood how easy this process is. So basically you open the wallet by downloading the designated app of that specific bank which you are using. Here we took an example of SBI. You will enter all the details requested by them and you create the wallet. And you have all the services available inside the wallet, which includes sending money, receiving money, converting the physical currency into digital currency into physical currency, and you can avail all these services. All you have to do is follow the steps which is requested when you have downloaded the app. So with this point, I finished my video. If you like this video and find it beneficial, give a thumbs up. If you think that it will be beneficial for others, please go ahead and share. And if you are not subscribed to our Freedom English channel, it is the time to subscribe and click the bell icon. And Freedom app, it should be in your phone. If you ask me why, I would tell a simple thing here. Everyone needs a guide in life. And that guide for you will be in one touch, and that is our Freedom app. We have 3 different categories, which includes business, farming and personal finance. When it comes to business and farming, we have n number of mentors who are teaching their life to you. So basically what you would do is select a course of your interest, watch the introductory module, which is all free. Once you have confirmed that this is my interest, you will watch that course fully, understand it, implement it in your life and change your life just like that. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead, install our Freedom app and register yourself and change your life. With this point, I complete my video. I'll catch you again in the next. Until then, you guys take care and bye-bye.